This came from At Home. The whole inspiration started with this rug because I saw it. I actually went into the store to get a round rug and got real discouraged because I only found a few that were not what I was looking for. So I was about to leave out the store and then I saw this one and I was like, And then I was like, that's kind of cool. I guess it does have a little bohemian look to it. It's like the only thing that's busy, and I knew that if I did this and by having so many patterns and stuff in it, I knew that everything else in the room had to be simple. One of my favorite areas is this couch. This couch came from Wayfair. When I tell you, y'all just gonna have to watch the Wayfair video. I will go ahead and tell you that it was a wonderful experience and I am in love with this. So the pillows that's on it, again going kind of into that monochrome, and then what is that? So the color theme of the room is pink, green, and gold. Like I said, by me knowing that the rug was so busy, I knew that everything needed to be solid in color, and then like I decided to play with the texture. Like this is velvet, this is furry. So anyway, these two pictures up here, can I get them both? Yes. These came from Hobby Lobby. Oh, I forgot to mention where I got these pillows from. This came from At Home. This one. This one came from Marshall's, I think, or TJ Maxx. And then, I don't know, between Marshall's, TJ Maxx, At Home, that's where all the pillows came from. Okay, yes, so back to my pictures. So, I actually went shopping with one of my friends for decorations for our office. And I saw this photo and I really, really wanted it, but I wasn't shopping for myself, so I felt so guilty and I was like, Megan, don't buy it, Megan, don't buy it. Like a week or two later, I went and they were 50% off instead of 40, and I'm like, okay, so I can go ahead and do it. So I got one and then decided, well, what if I get two and do like this like double thing, this twin thing? Okay. So in terms of these canvases here, I actually painted these myself. Again, like I said, I had this idea of a monochrome theme. And in fact, I was almost going to do a bunch of different pink pictures, like a lollipop and a pink bathtub and yada yada yada, but it didn't transfer right and the images would have been blurry, so that idea got shot down. So then I was like, well, what if it wasn't per se a picture of something, but just different variations of pink? So I sat down with my son and we mixed these different colors and painted these canvases. And then the canvases were on sale, I think 5 for $9.99 at Hobby Lobby. So, and I love the way it came out on the wall. It just kind of, sometimes I think art is not just about like the picture itself, but it's about the statement it makes as a whole. So I just feel like I like the statement that this makes as a whole. Now what it's saying, I don't know, you can tell me. But I like what it's saying, it's talking my language. And then in terms of arranging it, I just felt like them just being straight across, something about that uniformity looked nice. It's like it's uniform but different at the same time. This lovely Jim, you can come step over here. Mr. Cameraman, you can come step over here. Don't zoom in on my toes. But there's a button down here. I move my toes and just use my finger to point. Basically, I would normally hit this with my toes, but we're not going to show you those right about now. Yes, you press that and voila, the light comes on. This came from Wayfair. Also, I like that it brings your eyes up, and again, it brings you around to here, because in a room, you want to create some dimension so people aren't just looking, okay, everything's on one level, the couch, your decorations is all on one level. You want things that create movement around the room. This marvelous duo is my curtains. These also came from Wayfair. So I guess I had a lot of things that came from Wayfair. It's like I would shop around, but then I would get to the point where, no, I would stick with what I found there. And mostly because I would catch a lot of deals. Like, I think these were, I think $20 for the two of them, or maybe 20 a piece, something like that. But anyway, now the rod came from Target. I did get that from there. It was very hard to find a gold rod, surprisingly. But I really wanted to make sure the rod was at the top of the room. This is actually kind of a small room. It's spacious, but it's the smallest room in the house. So I wanted something that was gonna make the room look bigger, taller, and when you hang the curtains higher, it makes the room look taller. And again, it makes your eyes move from the floor to the ceiling. So this is kind of my computer area, because in this room is like I said, well, I guess I didn't say, it is also kind of the office space. So I have my computer where I edit all my videos and stuff here, and it kind of doubles as a desk and vanity for right now. I don't know, I might change it later, but as of right now, this is the setup. So I have this here mirror. It's a Jerry box mirror. It is a LED mirror. It's not charged, but if I had it charged, these lights would come on and illuminate the mirror, thanks to my hubby. You can go down here. This was the new trash can that I did end up actually getting. I got this from Marshall's, and I can press it so it works good whenever I have like my paper towels and I'm trying to clean my makeup brushes and whatnot. This is kind of where I have my makeup stuff at. This is a bookshelf that I did get from actually Walmart. At first I planned on putting my computer on it, but then I got a little nervous and I said, you know what, let's do the makeup and stuff on it, and I like how it came out. So I just have these different little makeup organizers. Some of them I stacked on top of each other. This is like kind of that earthy vibe, and it brings the green into the room again. The green couch, green over here. And then so over here is where I have my rack of palettes. So I just have everything in here nice and organized. And then this is like my makeup bag when I'm doing other people's makeup. Last but not least, I have my mirror where I can be like, boom, bow, hit you with the yow. I love how it came out. Like,
you spray painted it.
Yeah, and it's like, who would have thought it would have came out like that? And it's definitely like an extra large mirror. I did get this from Kirkland's. I'm gonna pop a Altoid.
That's mine.
No, it's mine. I bought it from the store. I don't think so. So that is it. I'm about to light my candle. It's been nice to have you guys, but you know, it's pretty late. And I'm about to go like binge watch some Netflix or something. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.